Hello, my name is Charles Bell, and thank you so much for watching this video. In this video, I'd like to give you 5 simple ways that you can make money with Advertising Boost. You can use it in your own business. You can actually boost your own sales by up to 300%. Here's what you can do. You can offer anyone that purchases X, Y, or Z, or books a call, gets pre-qualified, gets a home valuation, let's say get a free quote, or comes in for a free consultation, etc. All these things you can do and give away a free vacation voucher. All the videos and graphic resources that are there for you in the Advertising Boost back office and the back end there. So it's all available for you to be able to go ahead and boost your own sales by up to 300%. Here's one. You can hand out certificates to local businesses. In the Advertising Boost back office, you're able to print these very, very attractive vacation vouchers right from your back office. So who wouldn't want a fancy certificate just like this one? So here's what you do. You go out to 5 to 10 new businesses each day with your business card and give them a certificate and let them know that they could actually be giving them away in their business as well. You see, this gets your foot in the door and it opens up the conversation to telling them about Advertising Boost and how they can begin to use it in their business. Also, if they activate that vacation voucher that you gave to them, guess what? It'll make you money. Here's a great one, and actually everyone at trade shows can use Advertising Boost. So go to local trade shows and conferences. Let's face it, how many people would turn down a free vacation if you had a minute or two to explain it to them? All right, and then when you've got them interested, you explain how they too can offer these same vacation incentives and vouchers in their business. What you do is you take down their information, you set up a time to chat about how you can get them quality leads and increase sales using Advertising Boost. Or better yet, set up a chatbot sequence to automate this process and have them book a call on your calendar. Now, think about it. You've got these people at trade shows, and many people at these trade shows are actually doing sign-ups for giveaways. So these people could actually use Advertising Boost in many different ways, from our dining incentives to our vacations to our savings gift cards. So this is prime. These are prime leads just wanting what you have to offer. They just don't know it because they don't know that it exists. Here's a fantastic way. Sell lead generation services. So you've got a few options here. Number one, you can charge them a monthly fee and make money on the voucher activations. Double the money, double the fun. You could actually, number two, do the service for free, make money on the activation of all the vouchers that get done. And this is an easy entry point with potentials for upsells in the future once you show them how you can get them results. All right, here's a great one. Number three, charge them a monthly fee and make them your affiliate. So that's $20 a month or $183 a year on each affiliate. Fantastic. This is an affiliate marketing plus lead generation, a win-win for you and your client. Now, they get paid for the vacation activations on top of getting more leads that they are turning into more sales. So it's really a win-win situation for everybody. And number four, you're going to love this. You can do it for free and just make money from them being an affiliate. You know, it's going to be really hard for them to say no to this offer as long as you can get them leads and they are good at converting them. All right, also, here's what I'd recommend. I'd recommend running some Facebook ads to Messenger chat box to automate the voucher activating process. Typically charge $500 to $1,000 a month to set this up and manage it. It's a great way to make some extra cash. You can also do Facebook ads, do a Facebook ad to a landing page and connect it to Advertising Boost API. You're going to make you could charge anywhere, sample pricing and for $5 to $1,000 price point, depending on the industry and the value of each new client and customer that they retain. And you can sign up new affiliates. Set up a Facebook ad and create a landing page to start bringing in affiliates under you. Entice them to sign up by offering a free guide to start with Advertising Boost or access to a video explaining why they need it and how it can help them grow their business. You could even offer a free consultation on exactly how they can use Advertising Boost in their business. So there you have it. There's some very simple ways that you can actually start generating money with Advertising Boost today. So what are you waiting for? Go make some money with Advertising Boost starting today. If you have any questions or anything, go ahead and put it in the comments below. I'll be happy to help in any way I can. In the meantime, visit advertisingbooster.com or click on the link in the description below. Again, my name is Charles Bell, and thank you so much for watching this video. Go ahead, click on the link in the description below, and I will see you on the very next page.